What? I'm following you.
Hi guys, this is me Hdsthanbang, your friend. Today I'm bringing a reaction video from Kokborok RIP English video. It is a very funny. This video has gone viral before, and I'm bringing to you this video since you like this video, and I hope that you will be watching this video. You will like to watch this video because this video has gone viral and is a very funny video, and this is a English conversation videos clip, and this is like a very broken English and it's a very funny English, and I was also practicing how to speak the broken English because the broken English is very simple and also it is very funny to speak. And in my village also there are some people who can speak broken English, so I also was trying to do with them, but every person has a talent. The talents is different. We cannot imitate, or yeah, we can imitate, but it will take a lot of time for us. But those who are funny people, they can easily make the funny. So today in this video, when you see this video doing like this, like how speaking the simply broken English, but their videos has got many viewers and there are many followers from Kokborok, and this video. I'm not saying much about this video because we are going to watch this video and we are going to know, and also it is very funny, and I hope you will like it. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring to you more videos like this for you. Let's begin our video. Come on. Yeah, here it comes. She's played a male role here. She came to draw the water. And before her one already man has come to draw the water, but that man goes somewhere else to. When they did not recognize her, and when he came here, as you see here, he realized that she's an English master. Okay, and they started fighting. But here comes another lady to compromise them. Yeah, it's very funny. Okay.
Yes, I am very lovely. Any problem?
And here you can see.
No.
Yes. No, she speaks a native language, I think. So I could not understand that. Yeah.
Sister, my friend, just my water stop.
Okay, that's all. Okay, then again here, and they crush. Wow, what I say. She said that beautiful lady is coming. You look no control and touch my body.
What? I'm following you.
But actually, this man does not mean to do this. But
My dream.
this man is going to meet his girlfriend. Yeah. Yeah, friend, this is very funny video.
What? Most of us
She is a singer also,
bloody kid.
but he is also very not giving allowed her to do it, and he put a challenge and invited for the challenge. Yeah,
My talent challenge. Okay.
it's very fine.
Time waiting my girlfriend and my SMS. Go.
And also she's also accepted the challenge. Okay, come on, let us see the challenge the coming Sunday. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang, and you're watching the Karbireactionvideos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbireactionvideos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much.